Hello, welcome back to my another video. Today's question is based on geometry. Now the question is, in the given figure, the curve is a quadratic and P is the turning point, given that xq is equals to 11 by 2 and we have to calculate the exact shaded area. Now the concept is, let us assume the quadratic function be f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, but it is passing through the origin, so c will be equal to 0. Then f of x will be ax square plus bx. P is the turning point, so the derivative f dash 4 will be 0. And the slope f dash 4 will also be 0. If we differentiate the function, it becomes 2ax plus b equals to 0. Now putting x is equals to 4, then it becomes 8a plus b is equals to 0. Then b will be minus of 8a. But the function was f of x is equals to ax square plus bx. Putting the value of b, then it becomes f of x is equals to ax square minus 8ax. According to the function, the value of f4 is equals to 12. On putting the value, it becomes a into 4 square minus 8a into 4 is equals to 12. 16a minus 32a is equals to 12. Then minus of 16a is equals to 12. A is equals to minus 3 by 4. But b is equals to minus of 8a. On putting the value of a, then we have b is equals to 6. The function f of x is equals to ax square plus bx. Now putting the value of a and b in the function, it becomes f of x is equals to minus of 3 by 4x square plus 6x. We can also write it as y is equals to minus 3 by 4 x square plus 6x. For the point q, xq is given 11 by 2. Inserting this value, then y is equals to minus 3 by 4 into 11 by 2 square plus 6 into 11 by 2. Y is equals to minus 363 upon 16 plus 66 upon 2. On solving, we have y is equals to 165 upon 16 and we have x is equals to 11 by 2. Then the coordinates of q is equals to 11 by 2 comma 165 upon 16. Now here OQ is the straight line, O is the origin and Q is equals to 11 by 2 comma 165 upon 16. And from the equation of line OQ, y minus 0 is equals to 165 upon 16 upon 11 upon 2 into x minus 0. Then y is equals to 15 upon 8 into x. For the point m is equals to 4, putting this value, then y is equals to 15 upon 8 into 4. From here y is equals to 15 upon 2. Then now we have the coordinate of m is equals to 4 comma 15 upon 2. Due to shifting, x is replaced by x plus 4 and y is replaced by y plus 15 upon 2. Substituting the values in the function, then we have y plus 15 upon 2 is equals to minus 3 by 4 x plus 4 to the whole square plus 6 into x plus 4. Y is equals to minus 3 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2. This is the equation due to shifting from point O to M, and this is the required equation for the function. Now let us assume the function which is generated due to shifting b g of x is equals to minus 3 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2, and for the point n y will be 0, then it becomes minus 3 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2 is equals to 0. On simplifying this equation, we get x is equals to root 6. Then the coordinates of the point n will be root 6 comma 0. And for the shaded area, we have to integrate the function 0 to root 6 g of x dx, minus 3 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2 dx, and it becomes minus 3 by 4 x cube upon 3 plus 9 by 2 into x limit 0 to root 6, and minus 1 by 4 x cube plus 9 by 2 into x from 0 to root 6. Putting the limits, we have minus 1 by 4 into root 6 to the whole cube plus 9 by 2 into root 6, which is equals to minus 6 root 6 upon 4 plus 9 by 2 into root 6, then minus 3 root 6 upon 2 plus 9 by 2 into root 6. On simplifying, it becomes minus 6 upon 2 into root 6, and it becomes 3 root 6. This is the correct answer. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.